Hello, 大家好. I'm Ivy. Yes. Today, what we are going to learn? Yes, you see it already. Yes. Today we are going to learn transportation. So, how to say transportation in Chinese? 交通工具. Yes. Today we will learn different names transportation in Chinese. Okay, let's start. Oh yeah, forgot. Yes, before we start, if you like my channel, don't forget to subscribe my channel, okay? And hit the bell. Thank you. So let's start. What is this? Yes, this is a car. Of course, I know that it's a car, but in Chinese, we have all our cars, but we have different names, right? Yes, it is. So how say this kind of car? For family use, right? Yes. Or for company use. What is the name? 小轿车. 小轿车. Yeah, 车 is all kind of car. You can call 车. And this one is 小轿车. Yes, you see? 小 is mean little, right? It's to compare. Of course, this one is little. Yes, 小轿. This is a 轿. This is a 车, right? Remember this name. This characters is a 车. So this is 小轿车. Yes, perfect. So what is one? Wow, so big and so long, right? Can you guess what it is? Yes, it is a bus. So how to say bus in Chinese? Can you see it? Ah, yes. 公交车. Yes, why they say 公交车? 公 is mean that public. 交 is mean transportation. It means public transportation bus. Ah, yes, it is. So 车 is a car, right? So 公交车. Yes. 公交车. Yeah, very easy, right? Every cars behind the last word is 车. So it's very easy for you to remember. So 公交车. Yes, perfect. How? Yes, that in China, in Beijing, we have many public bus. Yes, if you want, and you can go wherever you want. Very convenient. Okay? Yeah. So what is the next? Yes? I see. What is this? What is this? Yes, this is a school bus. Yes, but in China, we don't have that much school bus because that the student go to the school is nearby their house. So, but nowadays, if the Chinese student, they go to the international school and they have to stay there for a whole week. So the school will send a school bus to pick those students up. So we have it very less. So, but we still have to learn how to say it in Chinese. Okay? So how to say it? Yes. 校车. 校. This is 校 is mean school. 学校 is mean school. 校车 is mean school bus. Okay? Yes. Can you see what this? Taxi! Yes, taxi! Yeah, very convenient, right? Taxi! Yes, it is. How say taxi? 出租车. Yes, 出租车 is taxi. Yes, remember. It's very convenient for you. If you come to China, you don't know the public bus, right? You don't know 公交车. You don't know how to go there. So what kind of transportation you have to take? This one is the first choice. So how say 出租车. Perfect. One more time. 出租车. 出租 means rent. Yes, that is right. You rent the car, of course. That is 出租车. Yes, you are right. So can you see what it is? What is this? I don't know if in your country there is, but in China and especially in Beijing, wow, there are many huge of network of this. How to say it in Chinese? Yes, I will show you. This is subway, right? Yes, subway. But how to say it? 地铁. 地 铁. Yes, why do you say 地铁? Because that is a 地. It means the ground. Yes, 铁 is mean 铁 is mean train. You know, it means the train under the ground is called 地铁. Yes, so 地铁. This is 地. This is 铁. 地铁. Okay, so let me review. 校车, 出租车, and 地铁. This one you have to remember when you are in China or you are in the big city of China, and 地铁 is the most convenient transportation for you to take and then always bring you on time. But there are a lot of people, and if in the rush hour it will be very crowded. A lot of people stick together. Wow, very crowded. Yes, 地铁. Okay, remember. Yes. So what is the next? Transportation we think bigger and for long distance. Yes. Yes, this two is for long distance, right? Yes. So what is the first one? Yes, of course it is train. Do you know how to say in Chinese? Yes, 火车. Yes, 火车. This is 火. You say, why is it called 火车? Yes, because long time ago, the train, they use fire, right? They use a fire to make it move. So they say 火车. They use this name. 火车 is mean train. Okay? So what is this? Airplane. I know it. Airplane. But how they transport the people? How? Fly, right? So how to say fly? Yes. Yes. 飞机. Fly is a 飞. Fly is a 飞. And 机 is machine. Yes. The flying machine. Wow, very big flying machine is 飞机. Okay? This two is for the long distance. Remember? 火车. 飞机. Yes, perfect. So now we know the general transportation's name, right? And we are going to learn more vocabularies about the transportations. Wow. So we know the bus already, but how we say the bus stop? How to say it? Or the stations? Yes, the stop or station. How to say? Can I say 公交 stop? No one understand, right? So how to say stop or station? Yes, 车站. Yes, because that is for the transportation. They call 站. It means the stop or station. 车站 is yes, stop or station. So do you know now? Can you see bus stop? Bus stop. Can you guess? 公交. Yes, bus stop. 公交车站. Wow, perfect. You are very good. If you can say it, very good. Put two together, that will be yes, you are right. But 公交车站, it is correct. But we make the short form. We make shorter, and then for you to speak easier. Okay? Yes. How to say it? Yes. 公交站. Yes. 公交站. It means the bus stop. 公交站. Shorter, right? Yes. So how about the subway station? Subway station. Yes. 地铁站. 地铁站. Perfect. Only airport is different. Yes, that is a 机场. 场 means the big square. It means big square, right? Because the flight come, there are a lot of flies. There are a lot of airplanes stay there. So it means square, right? So 机场 is mean airport. Okay? Yes, only this word is different. So train station, 火车站. You see? They how to make a combination. This is first is the transportation's name. The second is the stop. So they mix together will be the new name, right? Yes. 火车站. Yes. 公交站. Very good. 地铁站. Yes. 火车站. Yes. 机场. Yes. Just remember one 机场 will be perfect. It's different. but it's easy, right? Yes. So after we know those vocabularies, we will learn some sentences. Yes, you're right, to practice it, okay? Yes, let's we practice together, okay? Okay, very good. So, if you ask people, where do you wait for the bus? Where do you wait for the bus? Yes, how to say? 你在哪里等公交车? Yes, 你在哪里等公交车? Remember, 公交车 is a bus, right? 等 is means wait, right? 哪里 is where, right? 你在哪里等公交车? Let we see the Chinese characters, okay? 你在哪里等公交车? Perfect. Yes. Try to remember. Every day, remember one letters, and day by day, you remember all. Okay? Yes. And if you follow my class, and you will see there are many words always repeat and repeat. So you will see those Chinese characters are common character. So you have to remember it first, and then you will use it in the daily conversation. Okay? Yes. Okay. 你在哪里等公交车? Yes. 你在哪里等公交车? Yes. How to answer? I think you already know the answer, right? I wait for the bus at the bus stop of cars. But how to say in Chinese? 我在公交站等车. Yes. We wait for the bus or wait for we wait for the bus or wait for the car, whatever. And we also can say 车 only, because we had say the 公交车 already, so we don't need to repeat it one more time. So we say wait for the bus is 等车, okay? 我在公交站等车. Yes, very good. Let me see the characters, okay? Yeah. 我在公交站等车. Yes, 我在公交站等车. Yes, let me review one more time. 你在哪里等车? 你在哪里等车? Yes, answer. 我在公交站等车. 我在公交站等车. Perfect. We remember, we speak out first, and then read it, and then write it. Okay? First, we have to know how to speak in Chinese. Second, we have to, after I point out those Chinese characters, and you can read it. And the last one is you can write it. Okay? Don't need to be so hurry. Okay? Just follow me. Okay, very good. So, today, this is all the conversations. If some Chinese characters or some pronunciation you are not sure, and please practice more or review my videos. Okay? Thank you. So, thank you for watching my videos today. If you like my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell under. Thank you. Bye bye.